Paisa Vasool 5060 Ti PC build. Hey guys, Vimal here back with a new video. So lately I've been getting a lot of comments in my PC build videos asking me like, Vimal bro, can you build like a value for money gaming PC that should feature new gen components and obviously the newer gen RTX 50 series GPUs? And guess what? That is what I'll be doing in today's video. The kind of configuration and PC components I'll be using, right, will definitely offer you like Paisa Vasool performance guys. Value for money is what I can say. This sort of configuration would be great not only for 1080p ultra gaming, but you can easily play AAA games at 1440p resolution also. That too with DLSS 4.0, multi-frame generation and obviously ray tracing enabled. I'll obviously show you the benchmarks, gaming performance test, everything in this video, right? So make sure to watch it till the end. So before we move on and actually talk about all the components and parts I'll be using, first of all, let me tell you, by building this PC in this festive period, right, you can actually earn up to like 30,000 rupees Amazon gift card voucher. So MSI is back with their powered by MSI promotion where you can earn up to like 30,000 rupees Amazon gift card voucher. All you need to do is buy minimum of 2 eligible MSI products across 2 different categories. It can be anything, motherboard, GPU, power supply, monitor, whatever you wish for guys. So minimum you'll have to buy 2 of these components from 2 different categories. And also both these items should be present on the same invoice copy purchased on the same date guys. You can buy them online, you can buy it offline also from MSI's authorized resellers. Choice is up to you. As I've told you, only thing is you'll need to have like minimum 2 eligible products. In fact, before buying, you can even check out how much cashback you can earn using MSI's calculator on their website. I'll leave the link for that in the description box below. Just simply go there, select the eligible products that you are interested in buying, and that's it. The website itself will show you how much cashback you're eligible to earn. See, 30,000 rupees is not a small amount, right? If you're building like a powerful high-end gaming PC, you can definitely save up a lot using this promotion campaign. Along with this, MSI also has like one more interesting promotion where you can earn up to like $50 of Steam wallet code. So once you purchase your components and receive them, right, you'll need to register them and submit the invoice along with the product serial number and leave a feedback for the same thing, review basically. Once you do that, right, depending on the product that you purchase, you can earn up to like $50 Steam wallet code. All the details will be in the description box below. Anyways, moving on, now let's get to the main components and talk about the PC build configuration and the components that I'll be going for. So this is going to be like an AMD platform PC build guys, and let me tell you, depending on the budget, you can either go for the AMD Ryzen 7000 series or Ryzen 9000 series. So today, as I've told you, we will be building like value for money affordable category build, right? That is the reason I'm going for AMD Ryzen 7000 series. So today I'll be using AMD's Ryzen 5 7600 CPU guys. It's a 6 core 12 thread CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5.1 GHz and offers like really good gaming performance at a value for money price tag. Talking about the motherboard, this also totally depends on your budget. So in case if you're going for the Ryzen 7000 series CPUs, right, and you're a bit tight on a budget, then I'd advise you to go for MSI's B650 series motherboard guys. Hardly costs around like 10-11,000 rupees. You're getting Wi-Fi support, DDR5 RAM support is also there and will get your job done. But today I'll be going for a bit newer gen motherboard, B850 series. This one is MSI's B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. It's a great motherboard guys. You're getting all the features you might be looking for. Supports AMD Ryzen 7000, 9000 and is also a bit on the future-proof side. You're getting DDR5 RAM support, next-gen connectivity options, PCI 5.0 storage support is also there, and obviously both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is also integrated. Coming to the GPU, at the beginning only I've told you, right, we'll be using RTX 5060 Ti, and this one over here is from MSI. We'll be going for their gaming trio OC RTX 5060 Ti. Our variant of the GPU features 16GB GDDR7 VRAM clocked at 28GB PS and comes with a 128-bit memory bus width. This is actually based on NVIDIA's GB206 GPU and features 4608 CUDA cores. The base clock frequency is 2407 MHz, and since ours is the OC edition, right, so you're getting slightly higher boosted clock frequency of around 2647 MHz. Not to miss out, the TDP of this card is rated at 180 watt. Coming to the RAM, we will be using Kingston's Fury Renegade DDR5 32GB 16x2 clocked at 6400 MT per second, and the storage is from MSI guys. Will be using their Spectrum series PCI 4.0 SSD. Now cooler also can totally depend on your budget. For this sort of configuration and the CPU, right, a basic air cooler will also get your job done. But see, I wanted this PC to be a bit on the future proof side. That is the reason I'm going for the most affordable and value for money 360mm AI liquid cooler from MSI. This is MSI's new gen MAG Core Liquid A13 360mm liquid cooler, available in both black and white edition as well, depending on your taste and requirement. Comes with like 3 ARGB fans, full on RGB lighting that is controllable using MSI's Mystic lighting software, and also features like a powerful pump along with a full copper base, guys. Excellent quality liquid cooler at a reasonable price point. Okay, so what else is left? Power supply and the case, right? Both of these items are also from MSI. Talking about the power supply, for this sort of configuration, right, a 750 watt power supply would be more than enough. So we'll be going for MSI's MAG A750GL power supply, and let me tell you, this is a new gen PCI 5.1 and ATX 3.1 ready power supply. Excellent quality components used on board. Not to forget, it is also 80 plus gold rated and also cybernetics gold rated. Fully modular design that can offer up to like 2x power excursion, and best part is this power supply features their signature dual color 16-pin GPU cable that will easily help you identify whether the GPU cable is fully inserted or not. And coming to the case, we have a brand new cabinet from MSI. This is their MAG series Pano 110R PZ case, available in both black edition, white edition. It's a compact mid-tower case and features a beautiful 270-degree panoramic tempered glass view. Check it out. Not only on the side, on the front also you are getting glass panels, and all the panels are like very easily removable. You're getting a toolless DIY friendly design. Not to miss out, the cabinet also comes with like 4 ARGB fans pre-installed. 3 of them are reverse blade design installed on the side profile. One is your regular one at the rear profile. And best part is the case also comes included with a built-in fan and ARGB lighting control hub. So that's it, our complete configuration on the PC components that I'll be using. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the build. Okay boys, so we're all done, and here's how the final look of our all MSI gaming PC looks like. It actually looks pretty nice, right? Check it out. You're getting a full-on black and white sort of vibe going on. What I'll do is I'll quickly power it on and show you how this baby looks like. Holy freaking moly, now that is one heck of a beautiful looking gaming PC. Check out the RGB lighting on the inside, especially on the components. RGB-licious is what I can say. Fully controllable using MSI's Mystic lighting software. Just have a look at these beautiful PC shots, and I hope you enjoy the video. At the beginning only I've told you, right, 5060 Ti was mainly targeted for like high refresh rate 1080p gaming, or you can do like good 1440p gaming. Entry level 4K is also possible, but we'll try to play games at different resolutions, and I'll show you what sort of performance we'll get. So you people will get like a detailed idea on the performance of the 5060 Ti. Starting off, our benchmark is Cyberpunk 2077. Now you people know, right, Cyberpunk 2077 is a very graphic intensive game and puts a lot of load on the hardware. So we are playing the game at 1080p resolution, very high graphics preset, and in this particular test, ray tracing, DLSS, multi-frame generation, all of these NVIDIA technologies are turned off. I want to show you the raw rasterization performance of this card, and as you people can see, on an average we were getting around like 105 to 110 FPS, guys. Triple digit FPS at 1080p, very high graphics preset, no upscaling technologies, nothing like that. But let's actually enable all NVIDIA technologies including ray tracing at ultra setting, and then see what sort of results we'll get at 1080p resolution. Oh wow, are you people looking at that? Now this is the kind of performance I was looking forward to on the 60 class GPUs. 225 to 230 FPS on an average, all thanks to DLSS and multi-frame generation set to 4x. Mind you, ray tracing was also enabled and set to ultra preset. So pretty good performance and consistent results is what I can say. Now obviously 5060 Ti could easily handle 1080p level gaming, but the main question is how does it handle 1440p gaming? So let's quickly bump up the resolution to 1440p, graphics preset still set to very high only, and in this first particular test I want to show you the raw rasterization performance, native performance, no Nvidia technologies, no ray tracing, nothing turned on. So as you people can see, on an average we were getting around like 65 to 70 FPS. Not bad, I would say, guys. We're still getting like a consistent 60 plus results only, even at 1440p native resolution. Quickly enabling ray tracing at 1440p very high, no upscaling technology, no frame generation as well. And as you people can see, on an average we were getting around like 30 to 35 FPS. Now obviously ray tracing is like quite taxing on the hardware, right? Frame rate would obviously come down. This is where Nvidia's DLSS and multi-frame generation comes into play. Simply enable DLSS 4.0 transformer model. Along with that, also enable multi-frame generation set to either 3x or 4x depending on your monitor resolution and refresh rate, and bam! Now this is the kind of difference I'm talking about, guys. I mean, look at the massive improvement we are getting from 30-35 FPS straight to almost like 170 to 175 FPS, guys. Buttery smooth performance. Not just Cyberpunk, I've also played many other AAA titles like Assassin's Creed, Spider-Man 2 as well, GTA 5 Enhanced Edition, and on the overall I was actually getting like pretty good and consistent results at both 1080p and 1440p resolution. So right now we are playing GTA 5 Enhanced Edition, and you people know, right, with the recent free upgrade you're getting support for ray tracing, Nvidia DLSS, and also reflex technology as well. So we'll be playing this game also at different resolutions. Right now we're playing the game at 1440p very high graphics preset, and ray tracing is also enabled set to high profile, DLSS also set to balanced profile, and on an average with these sort of settings, right, we were getting around like 155 to 160 FPS. 5060 Ti was totally killing it with the GTA 5 Enhanced Edition, guys. Maska smooth experience is what I can say. Well, that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. I hope you guys got all the information you're looking for. Basically, what sort of performance or gaming benchmarks you can expect when you build a PC like this. So let me also go through the pricing details and talk about that. You can check out all the pricing details for each and every component on the screen over here. To give you an idea, right, it'll roughly cost you around 1 lakh rupees to build a PC featuring RTX 5060 Ti. So the price range of this PC can change from 90,000 to 1,20,000 rupees by slightly changing our components here and there depending on the budget and your requirement. At the beginning, remember I've told you, right, this GPU, the 5060 Ti, is available in two variants. You get one with 8GB VRAM, other with 16GB VRAM. Today we have the 16GB edition. If you are a bit tight on a budget and you're not looking for like 1440p ultra gaming and you feel that 1080p level gaming is more than enough for you, especially you have a little bit of tight budget, then you can go for the 8GB VRAM variant, guys. Here only you will save around like 10-12,000 rupees. But now if you want your PC to a bit on the future proof side, right, then I'd advise you to go for the 16GB VRAM edition. I'll leave all the links for them in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.